Gusto mo ba manalong presidente si Sara Duterte?
Hindi sa gusto ko. But I also said that, I'm qualified to be a political analyst. After all, I was a politician in my mother's womb all the way to now. Oh, unlike some people, I'm saying she's the woman to beat. Look at the surveys, and not only the surveys, kasi Bisaya ako, Karen. Not that I want, but that the people also I mingle with, they all say the same thing. If you hold elections now, VP Sara will win. Bawat presidente may pagnanakaw naman. Lahat yan sila. Niwala ba ako wala? Pero Pino-Pino. May hiya, di ba? May hiya. Ito mga walang hiya. Bongbong and Martin did not anticipate the hand of God na magbaha. Kita ng mga tao, sakita ngayon ng mga tao, bilyon-bilyon pera nakalatag sa mesa ng DPWH. Habang ang mga tao, halos maka-earn lang ng 30 pesos pagbebenta ng kung ano-ano para makabili lang ng bigas. Sabihin niya, Karen, ba't ako laging galit? Alam niya, sakit na nga ng puso ko eh. When I wake up in the morning, pag galit ako, sumasakit puso ko. Kaya sinasabi ko, hindi na ako magalit ngayon kay Bongbong. Pero naman, tingnan mo naman mga ginagawa ng mga ito.
Attorney, you've been called crazy by some sectors.
Not I'm too bright for them. That's why they say I'm crazy. What do you mean I'm crazy? Crazy people go out in public without clothes. Those are the crazy people. Kayo crazy? And then when I wear clothes and I wear nice things, you say, yabang naman ito. Huwag nyo ako kakantihin kasi I have nothing to gain from all of this. Huwag nyo akong kalabanin ang tao na hindi nagnakaw, walang kailangan sa inyo. I'm crazy. I wrote 10 books. I have an article in the United Nations on the laws of violence against women in the Philippines. My book's Anti-Sexual Harassment Act is in the libraries of, listen carefully, people, Harvard, Stanford, UC Berkeley, and the National Library of Australia. Kayo, anong sinulat nyo na nailagay sa Harvard? And you think I'm crazy? Crazy pa ako niyan, ha? Can you imagine kung hindi ako crazy?
Tatakbo ka ba in 2028?
Not some, many people, especially my followers and the people, they really are looking for a champion. I'm not saying it has to be me, right? I'm almost 70 years old. But
Posibleng tatakbo ka ba?
I have no plans, Karen. I always say, I have no plans. And don't say I'm doing this because I want to run for senator.
Gusto mo ba manalong presidente si Sara Duterte?
Hindi sa gusto ko. But I also said that, I'm qualified to be a political analyst. After all, I was a politician in my mother's womb all the way to now. Oh, unlike some people, I'm saying she's the woman to beat. Look at the surveys, and not only the surveys, kasi Bisaya ako, Karen. Not that I want, but that the people also I mingle with, they all say the same thing. If you hold elections now, VP Sara will win.
Palagay mo ba doon sa mga supporters ni Leni Robredo, merong kandidato na pwedeng tumalo sa kanya?
Ang gusto ni Risa siya, para daw pag nag-unite daw sila lahat, kasama si BBM, why not? Ako naman parang, alam mo, okay lang sa akin mag-ambisyon kayo dyan eh. Pero yung ambisyon nyo na kain suka kayo, I will comment. Dati, never again sa martial law. I'm consistent. I'm consistently anti-Marcos. I'm consistently anti-corruption. I'm consistently anti-EJK. I'm consistently West Philippine Sea is ours. I said that impeachment against Sara Duterte was rigged. It violated the right to due process, therefore unconstitutional, and hindi ako uto-uto ni Martin. And I objected to the way Digong was arrested by General Torre.
Sa lahat ng nararamdaman mo, paninindigan mo, ano ang kailangan para bumuti ang bayan?
Mag-resign na si BBM. Sabi nila, same line na, you have to go to the top of it. Mag-resign na siya.
He will not resign, so he has 2 years left. Kung may pwedeng gawin ang Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa last 2 years niya para mapabuti ang gobyerno, ano po yun?
Number 1, lahat ng mga cabinet secretary na may issue, kagaya dyan mga sa customs, mga ganyan-ganyan, tanggalin niya, i-vet ng committee na hindi political, di ba? Isa. Tapos si Secretary Vince Dizon should make true his word na kahit si Sandro Marcos ang investigation, iakyat nila sa ombudsman. Number 3, si Sandro Marcos ipa-resign as majority leader kasi nakakasama yun sa image niya. Isa pa, yung budget na yan. Bakit yung may mga ano pa dyan, mga unprogrammed na funds? Para ano pa yan? Yan ang source ng pagdanakaw eh. Kasi yung budget talaga, they use that, Karen. They use that to loot our taxpayers' money. Nakakahiya. We're utang ng utang. Deficit spending kayo, I propose walang sweldo ang mga senador, presidente, vice president, senador at congressmen. Walang sweldo. Bakit in Venezuela when they took over, kalahati na lang sweldo nila? Deficit na tayo. Tingnan mo yan, pag walang sweldo, per diem lang bawat, at upo mo dyan, babayaran kung di ba mag 100% na attendance yan.
Kung may makukulong, may magbabago ba?
Oo.
Will it change?
Ipakulong nyo na si Martin. Yun ang importante.
Will that change?
Siya naman talaga mastermind eh. Pakulong nyo na si Garjola. Ipakulong nyo na yung mga contractors na yan na may ebidensya naman kayo.
May kinatatakutan po ba kayo?
Diyos, scared of God, man. Thou shalt not steal and pretend that you don't. Amendment ko lang po yun kay Moses.
Okay.
So, ang ano ko lang, ma'am, is, sabi nila, ganyan-ganyan, oh, I'm very compassionate. I'm very affectionate. Sorry na lang na hindi nyo ma-feel yung affection ko.
Okay.
Yeah. Pero
Alright.
I'm very affectionate to children, especially my brothers and sisters and I are very loyal and support each other, and we have tough love for each other.
So now there's an impeachment complaint against Sara Duterte. Do you believe that she will be impeached in the lower house and it will get to the Senate?
Of course. They're just moving according to a script. That's why I said that Congresswoman Luistro should resign as chair of that committee if she wants us to believe this Justice Committee. I mean, how can you be impartial?
Recently in PGMN, you came out and said you were a lesbian. So,
That was fun.
so why did you finally choose to come out?
No, I did that plan it. But these twins, you see them, they're really fun. I just felt so at ease na, it was natural for me to say. So when I was in the dorm, and I went home, and my mother asked, why are you home? It's not break. She sat beside me on my bed. And I said, a girl kissed me, and I kissed her back. And I thought, I was guilty, right? And my mother did like this lang on my forehead and said, you'll be fine tomorrow. That removed my anxiety and my guilt. And with just one gesture on my forehead, I felt my mother's love. And I draw strength from that.
Are you happy you came out?
Yeah. And I told my partner that you better watch BGMN because I came out. And she laughed.
You've had a partner for 10 years? Is that correct?
No, I have a partner just for a few years. And it was love at first sight.
Okay.